I'm not here to waste your time. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill listing, it's a thriving custom mousepad business that has already pulled in over $40,000 in revenue and now earns around $900 per month. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how you can surpass this listing by starting a business that not only looks more professional but also attracts more customers. Custom mousepads are incredibly popular right now. If we analyze the competition using Allura, we'll see a high search volume with relatively low competition. Plus, the demand for custom mousepads is consistent throughout the year. For instance, if you search for custom mousepads on Etsy, you'll find a plethora of bestsellers and a wide variety of options. From family-themed mousepads and pet-themed designs to those with just custom text, these listings are generating hundreds, even thousands of dollars. I've noticed that pet-themed mousepads in particular are performing exceptionally well. What caught my attention was a best-selling listing that generates around $400 per month. The way they personalize their mousepads is quite impressive. Customers select a preferred background, upload a photo of their pet, which is then turned into a cartoon and integrated into the background. This approach is far more engaging and appealing than simply printing the pet's image as is. So how do we create a similar listing that stands out from the competition? I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish and share a unique idea to help you attract more customers. Creating mockups and background collections. To begin, we need mockups that showcase the final product and a collection of backgrounds for customization. We'll also include a personalization option that allows customers to choose their preferred background. There are many websites where you can download free background images, such as free.com. For example, if you search for groovy wallpaper and filter for free images, you'll find a vast collection of images that you can use. However, here's a pro tip: all the images displayed were created using AI, and it took me just 5 minutes using Midjourney. Here are some of the prompts I used to generate these backgrounds. Retro groovy hippie pattern with orange flowers on a green background. Pink and blue pastel swirl pattern. Simple paw print pattern. Simple line art pattern featuring lily flowers on a green background. Designing listing images in Canva. Once you've generated your background images, head over to Canva to start designing your listing images. Begin a new design and create the first listing image featuring your background collection. Add a headline that says, "Choose your favorite background." And below that, showcase 6 different background options. For each option, provide a unique name like Cotton Candy Sunny Spiral and Mint Whirls instead of just numbers. This will differentiate you from competitors who use only numerical labels. To further set yourself apart, offer additional customization options. Along with background choices, allow customers to add accessories such as hats, glasses, and more. This added layer of personalization will make your product more appealing. Creating mock-up images. Now that we have the backgrounds and customization options ready, let's move on to creating the mock-up images. Imagine an order with a specific background and accessory. I'll show you how to combine everything to create a visually appealing design. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a new document with the dimensions shown on the screen. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use Photopea to follow along. After setting up your template, upload the chosen background image and make sure it fits well within the frame. Next, upload the pet's photo and use the Select and Mask option to isolate the pet from its original background. Once you have the isolated pet image, bring it back to your design template and position it appropriately. Enhancing your design. Now it's time to enhance your design with some effects. Begin by selecting your layer, then go to Image Adjustments and choose Shadows and Highlights. If the image appears too dark, increase the shadow slider to brighten it. Next, apply the oil painting filter using the settings I provide, which will give your image a more artistic and polished look. After that, go to the filter menu again and select the Smart Sharpen filter. Set the amount to 100, the radius to 10, and reduce noise to 100. This will sharpen the image and enhance the overall details. Finally, open the filter gallery, go to the Brush Strokes folder, and select the Accented Edges filter. This will add glowing lines to your image, making it stand out even more. With these adjustments, your image will look significantly better. Add the name and any accessories needed, make final tweaks to the overall look, and export your design. Building your Etsy listing. Next, let's build your Etsy listing. Start by signing up for Printify, the print-on-demand service we'll use to turn your designs into physical mouse pads and handle shipping. After signing up, connect your Etsy store by selecting the appropriate option and adding a new store. Once connected, you'll have access to the product catalog. Search for mouse pads and choose a variety that suits your needs. For this example, I'm selecting a rectangular mouse pad. Upload your mock-up image, ensuring it fits the print area correctly. Preview the product to ensure the design appears as intended in real life, and then save the product, finalizing your listing. Proceed to the final step where you can edit your listing details. While you can make initial adjustments to the title and description on Printify, I recommend fine-tuning these details directly on Etsy. Set your pricing, for example. If you price your mouse pad at $20, you'll make approximately $13 in profit. Adjust the retail price as needed, scroll to the publishing settings, and activate the Hide in Store option to save your product as a draft. Click Publish and your product will be saved under drafts in your Etsy dashboard. To finalize your listing, craft a compelling title that includes SEO optimized keywords to enhance visibility. Analyze top-selling listings to identify effective keywords and incorporate similar terms. For photos, upload the listing images you created or any new mock-ups that showcase your product. Write a unique and engaging description by researching similar listings for inspiration. I've even used ChatGPT to generate descriptions that captivate potential buyers. Add options for customers to select their preferred background and accessories. Scroll down to Variations, click Add Variations, then create your own and name this option background under Options. List your background choices, including details for each one. Click Done, then add variations again, naming this option Accessories, and enumerate all available accessory options. Click Done, then apply, and your personalization options will be ready for customers. Finally, include a field for customers to enter their pet's name. Go to Personalization, click Add Personalization, and specify the information you need. For instance, request the pet's name. Once you've added this option, click the Public button to make your listing live. Managing orders and scaling your business. With your listing active, customers can now place orders for your custom mouse pads. These orders will be automatically sent to Printify, where you'll manage and fulfill them through the platform. Regularly check for new orders, confirm details, and oversee production to ensure quality. Keep your customers informed by providing updates on their order status, from production to shipping. In addition to managing orders, take the time to review customer feedback and performance metrics. This information is invaluable for identifying what's working and where improvements can be made. Whether it's refining your designs or optimizing your pricing strategy, staying responsive to market trends will help you stay ahead of the competition. By following these steps and consistently monitoring your listings, you can build a successful custom mouse pad business that attracts and retains customers. Your commitment to quality and service will not only lead to repeat business, but also help establish your brand as a trusted name in the custom merchandise market. As you conclude your YouTube video, include a clear and engaging call to action, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe, while also inviting them to share the video and explore related content on your channel.